In this video, I'm going to show you how to change candle colors on Tradovate. Now to do this, you first want to open your chart, then you want to double click anywhere on your candle, so I'm going to double click over here, and it's going to open up the chart editor. Here, you want to select chart type as candlesticks, and of course here you have the style. So you have body up, and then body down, and body neutral. You can go ahead and change these. So body up, I'm going to change from green to, for example, this blue over here, and you can just go ahead and change all of these outlines and wick ups as well. So of course you can use these colors at the bottom. You can type in your own hex color code yourself, or you could go and pick a color over here. Now for body down, I'm just going to go with some yellow over here. So I'm gonna pick this one, and then I'm going to do this one and this one over here. And for neutral, I'm gonna leave it like it is, and then you can of course change different colors as well. Then just click on apply and save, and as you can see, we've successfully changed candle colors on Tradovate. So that's how easy it is. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.